Konnichiwa, Green TV watchers. My name is Severin Cullis Suzuki, and I'm sitting here in Nibutani in a traditional Ainu house, and I'm very happy to be visiting Japan. And the reason that I'm visiting is because I'm very concerned about environmental issues about our air, our water, the food that we eat from the land. And as you may have heard, I think that there are some big problems that are going to be quite important for us as younger generations to pay attention to, because really they're going to characterize our world. And one of the biggest things is climate change, of course, that everybody is talking about. The ways that human beings have lived for the last 100 years have really caused this major problem of our climate. So my message to people here in Japan is about what we are doing to contribute to climate change and how we can be involved in the solution of climate change. There are so many things that we can do. The biggest thing that we have to do is start making the connections. How are my actions directly contributing to pollution, contributing to this problem of our climate? And then once we start thinking about all the little things, we can start making little adjustments. Things like reducing our garbage, reducing our energy that we use, so turning off the lights, of course, but also maybe not using things that are energy intensive. So all of these little things are very important. We can also celebrate the things that are right in our own communities, and that's why I'm so happy to be here Nibutani and in a traditional house, because there are so many traditions right here in Japan that are very ecologically important, that are really in harmony with nature. And so I want to learn about all of the ways that we can start being better in our relationship with the land and not cause so many problems. So that's my message to you, to get involved, to learn about climate change and figure out how you are connected to the natural world and what you can do to make a difference.